Hallo Klasse 6 Schüler. Heute lernen wir von Seite Nummer 58 Kursbuch Liste der Verben. Conjugation, the conjugation they have given. So this is a simple verb conjugation. Lernen means to learn. Ich lerne, du lernst, sie lernt, ihr lernt, wir sie lernen. The verb endings according to the personal pronoun. In the bracket they have given some more verbs. This conjugation you have to write down in your notebook with the meanings. Kommen to come, wohnen to live, liegen is to situated, located, spielen to play, leben is to live, lieben is to love, schreiben to write, verdienen to earn, scheinen to shine, fliegen to fly, machen to do, schwimmen to swim, bekommen to get, wehen to wave, donner is to thunder, feiern to celebrate, and flatter to flutter. So here they have given the verb endings again according to the personal pronouns. Now heißen verb a bit different due to the do heist conjugation. Here we are just adding t, not st, because our this alphabet h set means double s. Same tanzen is different. Du tanzt we write. Okay. Ich tanze, du tanzt, sie tanzt, ihr tanzt, wir tanzen. So similar verbs they have given here. Sitzen to sit, schwitzen is to sweat, blitzen is to lightning, ergänzen is to narrate. So this verb conjugation like this you have to write down in the notebook with the meaning which I told. Now with hz or z, no extra s in the conjugation of do. Okay, which was the explanation for this. Now see, the umlaut in the infinitive form will be written in all conjugation form. Now these are the verbs with the umlaut. Gehören meaning is belongs to, everywhere you can see the umlaut, and blühen is to blossom. In all the conjugation you can see the umlaut. Okay. Now same next page they have given here. After d, t, n, an additional e is added in the conjugation of do. Now see, for this verb this rule is there. Bilden, it is not buildest, it is buildest. Okay, extra e we are adding. Same buildet, extra e we add for this verbs which ends with after d, t, and n. Means after just remove the en. If the verb ends with d, t, or n, then we add extra e in between. Arbeiten to work, same. Now same write the conjugation for this verb. Beantworten is to answer, to reply. Antworten is to answer, and regnen is to rain. Same this write verb conjugation in your notebook. Now this last one. Haben and sein are irregular verbs which are very important, students. Haben is to have and sein means to be. This you are supposed to by heart. So these were all the verb conjugations given. So danke, tschüss.